Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys call me Tiff, and my channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mom, wife, and esthetician. So if that sparks any of your interests, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday. As for today's video, we are doing a vlog. I'm gonna take you a day in my life, just a random day. Show my video. Okay, give me 1 second, okay?
No, why not?
I definitely am in mommy mode. I'm gonna be taking Damien to school. I already made him breakfast. I decided to do this last minute. Of course, we've been up since 6:30. I worked out already. Today was arm day. I already made Damien breakfast, and this is where we are at this moment. I am not feeling my greatest. Definitely in the menstrual phase, but also I think I am getting a little bit sick. So, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna drop Damien off to school and then go from there. I need to come back and eat my breakfast and get this face together because, yeah. So I am drinking water every morning. If you guys didn't know, everyone in the IG Reels comments attacked me for not drinking water, which I thank them so forcefully. And I mean, it's a good thing that I am now starting to drink water, because everyone in the comments scared the out of me, talking about I was gonna lose a kidney, true, that I was gonna die tomorrow. I mean, I probably could have gone more days without water, but should I? No. So they were keeping me accountable, and now I'm drinking water every morning and throughout the day. It's only day 2 though, so. We are on our way to Damien's school. I was like somewhat dead this morning. Now I'm like, I need something to survive because I'm so tired. So yeah. Ya llegué a la casa. I dropped Damien off already. I am dying. I'm dying. Pero seguimos. Tenemos que hacer cosas. I think I'm gonna make a caldo today to get all of this out. So I'm not supposed to drink coffee right now, but I need it. I need coffee, so voy a hacer mis huevos, mi tocino. I'm gonna eat some yogurt with some strawberries and my coffee. So you're just gonna watch me make that real quick. A little fun fact is I do always have the same breakfast every single day. I do 2 eggs, 4 pieces of bacon, and a yogurt, a Greek yogurt from Aldi's, and 3 strawberries. The only thing I change sometimes is sometimes I do have my coffee, and when I am in like my luteal phase, menstrual phase, I try to switch it to hot tea, so like chamomile or even sometimes black tea when I do feel like I just need caffeine. So now I'm just gonna eat my breakfast real quick. I'm watching La Platica. I'm gonna watch that while I eat, and then we are gonna do our makeup like real quick and go to the grocery store because we're gonna make a caldo today. Now, like I said, this day I was not feeling good. Estaba enferma, and even now I still am. So I just wanted to do a quick little makeup. I did some bronzing. I used a skin tint from MAC and the Skin Radiance concealer. I love the liquid blushes that we just got because it really just is an extra glow to the skin and everything looks natural. Honestly, I feel like it looks like I have a filter on. But then I just put some waterproof mascara and called it a day, and a cute little lip. Something like this is honestly my everyday makeup because I don't like to do too much, and I also have stuff to do during the week when I am not working. So this is my go-to makeup. Again, I was still on the phone with my mom, so I did end up going to the grocery store and getting a couple of things. I'm also a little shy to film in front of people, so that's why my camera's hidden inside my purse. Just finished with groceries. Y agarré todo por el caldo. At least I think. There was everything at Aldi's. I spent only $32 on all of this stuff. So very proud about that. It's really just gonna feed all of us, so hopefully everything turns out okay. I feel a little bit better right now. After I got ready, I was talking to my mother while I was doing my makeup and all that. Didn't really get to record or talk through that, but you guys saw I was just kind of rushing through my makeup. Didn't feel like doing a whole big thing. We are just gonna go on our way to pick up Damie from school, but yeah. Made it back home already. Gotta make Damien lunch. My father-in-law made chicken fried rice, so we're gonna give him that. And he's having a bad day, so he's kind of cranky. I think his head might be hurting because he's just very cranky today. We're gonna give him some chicken fried rice, and then later for dinner I got all the stuff for the caldo, and that's what he's gonna eat. So I'm just gonna warm this up a bit. Okay. I'll get you your vitamins. Told you, cranky. He likes some yum yum sauce on it, so I'm gonna put some in there. So it's just lo que agarré para la sopa. It's not a lot, and honestly I'm so proud that it was like $30-something for all of this. And then after I just fed Damien, he is a big boy and he can eat by himself, but he gets distracted a lot. So I have to keep reminding him to keep eating his plate. And sometimes if I get to feed him, then so be it. At least he's eating. But like I said, he gets distracted and wants to sit on me, wants to get off the chair. So here we are, toddler phase. Agarramos esta sandía, cariño. Ven aquí.
Let's see this before. We tried this.
It's nap time. We're actually like 14 minutes overtime. Damien is officially asleep. Now I'm gonna start making the caldo. Y aquí empecé a llenar la olla para la sopa. During this time, I started talking to my dad, and he ended up roasting me because I don't know if he thought that I was just cooking for myself and Drew, but that was not the case. I was cooking for like 6 people, and we eat a lot here, so I was making a big pot, and he just noticed a pot out of nowhere. He's like, oh my god. Pues una olla para la familia.
No, al menos una cebolla. Y ajos, unos 3 dientes de ajos más. Máquina, que lo veo yo, esta pesadilla es para un batallón.
Now, I did end up adding more ingredients to the sopa because my dad's like, you just need more of it. And FYI, I am not a cook. Both of my parents are both like, they might as well be professional chefs. They know how to cook. It's in their blood and their passion. They love to do it. So whenever I do cook something, I do always call one of them because they always guide me to make it a lot better. It's currently about 2:52 in the afternoon. Damien's up already, and the caldo is pretty much done. I'm gonna show y'all the olla. Está el caldo, oh my goodness. With this one, I got a whole bunch of lime. Le falta ají, but I don't think I'm gonna make it. I think I'm gonna go buy some ají from like a Mexican store. I hate cooking. I hate it. If you didn't know this about me, I hate cooking. But what I hate more about it is the mess that it comes with it. So now I need to clean up. It's pretty much done. I have a timer set on. We're just gonna clean up now. and pack through a lunch for tomorrow. So there's a caldo right there. I added my own salsa with jalapeno and stuff. It's still not spicy enough. I added 3. This time it just won't be as spicy, and that's fine. I just need a caldo to make me feel better. It is already 4 o'clock already. I am tired, and honestly we're not gonna do anything else throughout the day because everyone's just gonna come home. We're gonna eat dinner and then we're all gonna hang out. Next week is going to be a quick little video for Friday, but that is a week of Damien's birthday. It's gonna be a stressful week. We'll see. I might record another video tomorrow and make sure that's out and ready to go for next Friday because I'm gonna be vlogging all next week on like Damien's birthday party, the entire thing, the filling up the piñata and the cake and the decorations and the whole shebang. And make sure to stay tuned because I am gonna be uploading Damien's Spider-Man party, so I'm super excited about that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre Cherrebeautique, and I will be back with more videos.